Welcome to Motivation at Hand, Ma. To know is to know how. In a time of change and shifting tides, where uncertainty in our hearts resides, the former president's election, a flame that burned, leaving us with lessons hard learned. The heat has turned up, the temperature rises, but in the face of adversity, our spirit surmises. We must remain cool, calm, and strong, preserving the values we've held for so long. Oh, American spirit, in you we trust. For the people to uphold equity and liberty, is a must. Through the storm, we find our way, seeking a brighter tomorrow, come what may. Condolences to the soul of a broken nation, yearning for truth, integrity and fair representation. Worked to make our voices rise, our actions true, in pursuit of a life of quality for me and you. So let us breathe, amidst the chaos and strife, embracing hope, the elixir of life. For the American spirit can be resilient and bright, shall guide us towards a future shining with light. Signs and flowers are pictured at a makeshift memorial for victims of the 4th of July mass shooting in downtown Highland Park, Illinois on July 6, 2022. According to a CNN analysis of the Gun Violence Archives mass shooting data since 2014, the 4th of July holiday has witnessed the most mass shootings compared to any other day of the year over the last decade, CNN, July 5, 2023. Both CNN and the Gun Violence Archive, GVA, define a mass shooting as an incident where 4 or more people, excluding the shooter, are injured or killed. Over the course of almost 10 years, July 4th has experienced over 50 mass shootings, surpassing all other calendar dates, CNN, July 5, 2023. The day following the 4th of July, July 5th, holds the second highest number of mass shootings. In at least 5 years within the last decade, July 4th or 5th has ranked first for the highest number of mass shootings in a single day, CNN, July 5, 2023. As of now, there have been at least 10 mass shootings recorded on July 4th and 5th, according to the Gun Violence Archive, GVA, July 5, 2023. However, the details and specific information about each shooting are still preliminary, and facts such as the number and nature of injuries could change during ongoing police investigations. Here is what is currently known about some of the shootings that occurred on July 4th. Akron, Ohio, 4 injured. 4 people were injured in a shooting that took place shortly after midnight on Tuesday at the Mason Park Community Center in Akron, Ohio. An initial investigation suggests that 1 or more individuals fired shots during a party in the parking lot. Initially, most attendees mistook the sound of gunfire for fireworks until the victims realized they had been struck. 3 18-year-old women and 1 19-year-old man were transported to the hospital, and all are expected to recover, CNN affiliate WOOS, July 4, 2023. Edgewood, Maryland, 4 injured. 3 men and 1 juvenile sustained non-fatal injuries in a shooting on Tuesday afternoon near Har Park Court in Edgewood, Maryland. The Harford County Sheriff's Office responded to the incident at 4:12 p.m., and the investigation is ongoing, Harford County Sheriff's Office Twitter, July 4, 2023. Shreveport, Louisiana, 4 killed, 7 wounded. Late Tuesday night, a shooting in Shreveport, Louisiana resulted in the deaths of 4 people, while 7 others sustained injuries. The incident occurred when a large crowd gathered to celebrate July 4th. Officers arrived at the scene around 11:45 p.m., and 3 people were confirmed dead at the time. A 4th individual was discovered deceased the following morning. Shreveport Police spokesperson Sergeant Angie Wilhite, July 4, 2023. Lansing, Michigan, 5 injured. 5 men in their 20s were injured at a party around 2 a.m. on Tuesday in Lansing, Michigan. 2 of the victims are in critical condition, and the investigation is ongoing, CNN affiliate Wilkes, July 4, 2023. Hayward, California, 5 wounded. 5 individuals were shot on Tuesday in Hayward, California. The Hayward police officer Cassandra Fovell reported that a suspect was also shot and is now in police custody. The shooting is currently under investigation, and details about the medical conditions of victims have not yet been made available. Hayward police officer Cassandra Fovell, July 4, 2023. On July 5, the following shooting incident occurred. Washington, D.C., 9 injured. During a July 4th celebration in the northeast part of Washington, D.C., 9 individuals, including a 9-year-old and a 17-year-old, sustained non-life-threatening injuries. Shots were fired from a dark-colored SUV, seemingly targeting the victims who were struck. Some victims were transported to hospitals by first responders, while others sought medical attention on their own. No information regarding identified suspects was immediately provided. Metropolitan Police Assistant Chief Leslie Parson, July 5, 2023. The 4th of July holiday has become synonymous with gun violence in recent years, with mass shootings escalating during this time. CNN, July 5, 2023. Since 2014, only 4 dates have recorded double-digit mass shootings in a single day, and 3 of those instances occurred during the past 3 July 4th holiday weekends in 2020, 2021, and 2022. CNN, July 5, 2023. Overall, summer days, particularly those in June, July, and August, have higher numbers of mass shootings compared to other periods of the year. CNN analysis, July 5, 2023. Out of the top 10 calendar days with the highest occurrences of mass shootings since 2014, all except New Year's Day fall within the summer months. The frequency of mass shootings during the 4th of July holiday highlights the tragic intersection of gun violence with a day that symbolizes American history and culture. CNN, July 5, 2023. The graphic accompanying this information provides a map illustrating the locations of the mass shootings that occurred on July 4th and 5th. Together we stand, in solidarity we unite. With a shared vision, we'll make things right. Let us cherish our American dream. Working towards a nation that truly gleams. In condolences to the spirit of equity and liberty. May we all thrive and live with dignity. For the American spirit shall endure. With a commitment to justice that's pure. With unwavering strength and unwavering will. We'll create a future where dreams fulfill. So, let's embrace the challenges we face. And strive for a land of harmony and grace. In the pursuit of a life that's truly free. Let's stand tall and shine, for all to see. Source, Gun Violence Archive. It's at an extreme now. When will the American cowboy be laid to rest? Much appreciation to you for giving of your time with us at Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. We trust you will come back soon.